Hello and welcome once again to my channel, and if you're new, extra welcome, and I hope you will enjoy it. And I was thinking of just making a quick, I don't know if it's so quick, but a video about how I'm making an art journal cover out of cardboard boxes, because sometimes when you order kind of like scrap papers and stuff, you get these kind of pizza cartons boxes and cardboard boxes, and they are really nice for making book covers out of for your art journal or your junk journal. And so I'm going to use this one that I got in the mail a while ago, and the good thing is that they are already kind of folded in the middle section. So I'm just gonna measure out with my watercolor papers how big I want it, and I'm not measuring anything precise here. I'm just doing it, winging it, because I don't have the patience for exact measurements, and that is just me. So I'm just cutting it to smaller size. And the papers that I used here is a watercolor paper, and it's a bit bigger than A4, so tiny bit bigger. So when I fold it, it's a big, of course, a bit bigger than A5 size. But of course, you can make it smaller or bigger, depending on what papers you're using. And I'm gonna, what are they called? They're not rivets, I think. They are like rivets, but they are holes. They are like rings. And I know the Swedish word, but of course I don't know the English word, but I think you know what I mean. And that is where I'm gonna put my threads through, my elastics, and the elastics that is holding my papers, my signatures. And there actually are holes, as you see, already in the cardboard box, but they were, I think, a bit too close apart for my liking, because I wanted them farther apart. And now I'm going to add the papers on the art journal cover, and these are from Vicky Boutin. Really nice papers that I haven't gotten to use before, but now I want to use them. So I'm using my gloss gel medium, because it doesn't matter if it's glossy or matte when you're just going to use it as glue. You can't see it anyway, but it's a good adhesive. And of course I could have covered the binding, is that what it's called, in the middle with papers before I put in the rivets. But I'm thinking that I'm gonna leave it bare, like cardboard bare. So I'm just putting in the elastics and tying them. And I think 3 will be enough. And now I'm going to add some other papers from Vicky Boutin, because I want different papers and they are cute together. And of course papers on the inside also from Vicky Boutin. And I'm just cutting up the scrap pieces so I can make other things with them later perhaps, or another day. And I want something else from the same paper set, I think. And I'm not thinking that much about it, I'm just putting it on. I want it to be kind of a simple one, not too many things on it. And I'm just putting in watercolor paper for trial to see, and then I can make signatures or anything that I want. Thank you for watching. Till the next time, stay safe, have a nice day, bye.